Hello everyone, welcome to this series of discussions on new PMP examination. We have already discussed overviews of 3 chapters out of 5 chapters, and today Mr. Pradhan is going to tell us more about chapter 4. Welcome Mr. Pradhan.
Yes, thank you, Tasneem.
Yeah.
So Tasneem, once again, let me review the first 3 chapters. So in the first chapter, we discussed about building the powerful team. In the second chapter, we discussed about the various planning processes. In the third chapter, we discussed about various executing processes. And now we are discussing about the monitoring the team performance. Everywhere there's a team is a word which is very important, which was not there earlier.
Correct.
Everything talks about team. Okay. There are 7 elements in this chapter, and let me go through quickly, go through one by one against every element. The first element is about lead a team. So as a part of the monitoring the team, it's very important to leading because there is a leadership team and they are leading the team. So for them, lead a team is the number one process. Later on, it's the support team performance. Whatever team is doing, support the team performance, because it is very important to support whatever team is doing, whatever they are making mistakes or whatever they are making in the progress. It is very important for project team leadership team to give them necessary support.
Okay.
Third is address and remove various obstacles and blockers during this project. So it's very important to the leadership team to pitch in and then give the necessary guidance and then help them in removing the obstacles by discussing with various stakeholders or by giving some necessary training or skill development or anything. Then fourth is again important part is about managing the conflict. In any team, there is no project, very less number of projects having almost no conflict. So conflict is a part and parcel of the project. Managing the conflict is a very important element of any project management team, leadership team. Fifth element is about collaboration with the stakeholders, doing the collaboration with stakeholders so that, they help each other and they support to the project outcome very effectively. Then sixth element, it talks about mentoring the stakeholders. Sometimes it's very important for leadership team to mentor the team and then help them in improving their performance or motivating them, and then so all these are the elements of the very important elements for the leadership team. So mentoring the stakeholders. And the last one is applying the emotional intelligence to promote team performance. So typically what we call the, there are a lot of emotional factors are involved with any stakeholders. So that emotional intelligence needs to be nurtured properly and then promote team performance. Very, very important elements they have mentioned that leadership team should have all this knowledge and skill to, perform, to bring the team performance to at a certain very, very high level. So this talks about the monitoring the team performance. Again, let me tell you the name of this chapter is in original it is different. Because of some restrictions we have slightly modified it. So Tasneem would like to know your views also on this.
Yes. So, though I see a striking similarity between the monitoring and control process group of the previous PMP version, but I see as you very rightly pointed out, I see a very big differentiator here that a lot of importance is on the team, and that means the people who you are working with. So yes, team performance is what you're monitoring, and you're not monitoring say people, or you're not monitoring work, but you are monitoring team performance, and that is why a lot of emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills come into play. So yes, it's very interesting. It actually sounds very interesting, very relatable, very hands-on to know that the chapter 4 focuses on monitoring team performance, and the project manager's work becomes all the more of a mentor and a leader rather than an executor or a kind of a ground level manager.
Right. Perfect.
Okay, so thank you so much, Mr. Pradhan. I'll see you in the next video wherein you will give us insights about chapter 5.
Yes, yes, certainly. Let's visit next chapter, certainly.
Thank you.